Hi, this is Priscilla for OpenRice.com, Asia's #1 dining guide. We know you have waited quite a bit for this episode of OpenRice Tasty Union. Well, we have been following Charlie Tee all around the world, and today we'll find out what he has been up to. Looks like Charlie Tee has invited some of our OpenRicers to try out his favourite dishes, such as the rotisserie chicken, the koala pork, and his favourite dessert, the CT waffles. Curious to know more about Charlie Tee and his food journeys already? Let's go find out more!
This is one of my favorite. This is actually the Spanish omelette, because if you guys have went to some of the other restaurants, this is actually one of the breakfast menu. It's on the breakfast menu, but over here it's very different. You don't get a full sausage, you don't get like some sunny side up or scrambled egg, but yet it's in the omelette version, and the sausage is spread over it. So overall, the taste is you're having the same stuff, but yet the taste and the experience is very different.
My favorite dish is Charlie Tee's signature dish. I think the chicken is really good, it's really juicy and tender. The pieces of the meat really drops off from the bone, and I can feel the hard work behind the chef put 16 hours of marination. It really penetrates right through the chicken meat. Even the breast, you can feel the juiciness and the marination. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah.
Some of the stuff that you can try over here in Charlie Tee's includes our famous rotisserie chicken, as well as our Kahlua pork all the way from Hawaii, as well as our bratwurst and sauerkraut wrap. So they are all tastes that's authentic from where they come from the various cities around the world.
If you wish to join us for our next food events, do register as a member on OpenRice.com now. You can also find us on Facebook and Twitter for more instant foodie updates. I'll see you around on OpenRice.